Hey guys, welcome back to another protective hair tutorial using the Afro Kinky Bulk hair. Now, before I get into this video, please to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be advised as to when I post my next video. So, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. So the hair that I'll be using for this video is the 20-inch Afro Kinky Bulk hair in the colors L350 and 1B. I ended up using 1.5 packs of hair to achieve the look, and guys, after 3 weeks I am still rocking this hairdo. So guys, this is how the hair looks. It comes with 2 rubber bands over each piece of hair. And guys, this hair is really long and I love the texture of the hair as it goes well with my natural 4C hair. And guys, as you know, I will be using my Ultra gel wax just to lay my hair down. So I'm just going to part from ear to ear and section off the front portion of my hair. So as you can see, I've already started the twist pattern to the back section of my hair. So now I'm just going to show you how to apply the Afro Kinky Bulk hair to your natural hair. So I'm just going to detangle this portion of my hair and then go in with my Ultra Gel Wax. Now I'm going to take one of the hair and remove the rubber band. I am then going to separate this piece of hair into 2. Then I'm going to take one of the piece and fold it down the middle. I am then going to go in with my natural hair to form the 3rd piece of hair, and I'm just going to plait it in. Now the reason why I'm plaiting in the braid is because I want to secure it to my natural hair. So after I reach at a point where I know the braid is fully secured to my natural hair, I'm just going to separate my natural hair into 2 and apply it to each of the braided piece, and then I'm just going to twist the hair. So I have a particular way of twisting the hair. Before I twist the hair, I roll each piece of hair first and then I twist it. This would give it a tight twist that I want it to have so it doesn't unravel. So guys, I like to section off my hair before I go in with my twist. So I'm just going to do the same routine that I did before, detangle my hair, apply the Ultra Gel Wax and then place the braids. As you can see, I'm mixing the 2 colors and going in with my natural hair as the 3rd piece of hair. Then I'm going to first braid it down, and then when I'm comfortable, I'm going to separate my natural hair into 2 and then do the twist pattern going down. So guys, while twisting the remaining portion of my hair, I realized that some of the twists that I did before weren't to my liking, so I went and redo those twists. So guys, this is the final look. I'm also gonna show you ways in which you can style this hair. Guys, this is the first time I'm using the Afro Kinky Bulk hair, and let me tell you something, I am really loving the look. The hair is very affordable. I only paid 920 Jamaican dollars for a pack, and I only use 1.5 packs. Guys, this is a nice, cute and simple protective hairstyle, and I'm sure you're gonna like it if you try it. So let's go into the styles.